Ken from Alliance with a sweet message. Sweet, S-U-I-T-E, sustainable, unique, innovative, timely, economical. Today I'm standing in front of an indexing conveyor system. This machine is running through our R3 program. It's retool, recondition, reuse. So we're taking this machine, which formerly cleaned parts for a gas engine type automobile, and we're converting it for cleaning parts for an electrical vehicle. So there's a lot of great things we can do with this R3 program. We're going to walk you through and show you some of the cool features of this indexing type system. This is an indexing conveyor style system, so we're at the loading station on this piece of equipment. So parts can be loaded onto a fixture here. There's a light curtain that protects operators for operator safety. And then we have an indicator for part present. We also have what we call a part profile device. That if you misloaded a part, we can basically break that with a swing hinge, and there's a photo sensor that'll stop the conveyor in case of a misload. In addition, we have a detection system where we'll actually measure the height of the part, so we can check if a part is a non-machine part. We can actually stop the part from actually entering the washer, so we can check detection. So it's height detection to verify that we are not loading an unmachined part for the cleaning process. As we move down the machine, we've got two wash stations here with very targeted directed sprays, so the parts index into position, and then we're targeting very specific ports and holes. As we move through, we have a dead zone for drainage, and then we move into the rinse zone. The rinse, we have some general sprays, and then we also have some very targeted sprays to clean very specific part features. And then we go into a final compressed air blow off. Again, these very targeted nozzles are actually cleaning or spraying or directing air to specific targets, compressed air to dislodge any additional water. And then we move into a general blow off where we have some air slots and some ports where we're actually doing the final drying. And then the parts continue down to the exit end of the machine where the parts come onto a landing area, again light curtain protected, and then we're sensing the part. Again, we have photo eye indicator coming across the part, so we don't drop a part off the end of the conveyor. So that's the process of the machine, very straightforward. There's a lot of great things we can do with this R3 program: recondition, retool, reuse. A lot of great things. So even with an indexing system, which is a fairly specialized machine, we can take a machine like that, we can retool the fixtures, which we showed you in the video. We can redo that so it can run a different part for future use. Great sustainable way to reuse a piece of equipment. If you want more information on our R3 program or any washer type of parts cleaning system, give us a call today. Ken from Alliance, have a sweet day.